Hello student, today we are going to start with lesson number 13, Independent India, Social Science, Standard 8, second semester. Formation and reorganization of states. Formation means development and reorganization means reconstruction. India became independent and the princely states were merged. Merge means joined into the union. We had adopted a federal means combined system of government. Hence, they arose means raised the question of forming the states as the major components means part of the Union of India. The union that emerge means appeared out of the merger means combination of the British India and the princely states was classified as A, B, C, D. The status means position of all the states in these four categories means group was not the same, though they all were an integral means essential part of the union. Thus India emerged means appeared as a union with four categories, that is group of states at the time of enforcing means applying the constitution means charter or structure in 1950 CE. People from Madras, that is group A states, launch means started a strong protest means objection to form Andhra Pradesh for the Telugu speaking community, and the government accepted their demand. On 1st October 1953, Andhra Pradesh was formed as a new state on linguistic basis. Later on, demand for the formation of states on linguistic basis started across the entire means whole nation. In December 1953, Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru appointed the State Reorganization Committee to reorganize the Indian states. This was headed by the retired Chief Justice of the Supreme Court, Fazal Ali. Hence the commission means committee, was also known as the Fazal Ali Commission. The bill regarding the reorganization of states was passed in the parliament and was implemented means applied from 1st November 1956 onwards. As per the recommendation means advice of the states reorganization committee, the four categories, that is group of states, were renounced means rejected, and 14 new states with 6 union territories were formed. Most of these 14 states were formed on the basis of language except for Punjab and Bombay. In the state of Bombay, two major linguistic groups, that is Marathi and Gujarati, lived. This erosion means this rise an intense means great demand to separate Gujarat and Maharashtra on linguistic basis. Maha-Gujarat movement. The day when the bilingual recommendation means advice for the state of Bombay was passed in the parliament, a group of students of law college in Ahmedabad organized a meeting and they started a series of demonstration means strike or rally. Gradually means slowly, this movement became more aggressive means violent. Next, Indulal Yagnik, the promoter means supporter of the Maha-Gujarat movement. The Maha-Gujarat movement became violent means harsh with the passage of time. A series of protest means objection, and violent means harsh demonstration means strike or rally, made it more intense means more great and widespread across entire means whole Gujarat. Indulal Yagnik, Jayantilal Dalal, Brahma Kumar Bhatt were the prominent means important leaders of this movement. Mahagujarat Janata Parishad was formed under the leadership of Indulal Yagnik in September 1956 with the support of few other political parties. This Parishad demanded for the separate Gujarat state. They would observe a bandh or a strike during the meeting of national leaders. Indulal Yagnik became a very popular leader and eventually means in the end came to be known as Chacha of Janta. Next, formation of Gujarat state. The movement compelled means forced the parliament to divide the bilingual state of Bombay into Gujarat and Maharashtra in 1960. The new state of Gujarat was inaugurated. Inaugurated means started by Honorable Ravi Shankar Maharaj. Ravi Shankar Maharaj blessed the people of Gujarat to start the new Mandal of Gujarat at Sabarmati Ashram, Ahmedabad on 1st May 1960. Mehndi Nawaz Jung became the first governor and Dr. Jivraj Mehta became the first chief minister of Gujarat. Next, integration. Integration means combination of the French and Portuguese colonies into the Indian Union. Certain regions of India were still under the French or Portuguese control when India declared itself as an independent sovereign. Sovereign means ruler. Socialist means reformer. Republic on 26 January 1950. Number 1. Integration of Pondicherry means combination of Pondicherry in present Pondicherry. Pondicherry, Karaikal, that is Tamil Nadu, Mahe, that is Kerala, Yanam, that is Andhra Pradesh, and Chandranagar, that is West Bengal, were under the French control. People of these colonies wanted to join the Indian Union, for which they launched means started movement too. The French tried to suppress means defeat such movements. In 1948, a huge gathering of people in Pondicherry declared Quit India to the French authority. Authority means power. To bring out a peaceful solution to this problem, the government of India opened negotiation. Negotiation means talks with the French government. Finally, the French government agreed and on 30th October 1954 and surrendered. Surrendered means given all this colony to India. Finally, the French government agreed and on 30th October 1954 and surrendered. Surrendered means give up all these colonies to India. Number 2, integration means combination of Goa, Diu and Daman. Portuguese were more adamant. Adamant means stubborn than the French. For them, Goa was the symbol of prestige. Prestige means status, honor. All negotiations means meeting, talks to Sede. Sede means give up these colonies to India failed. On the other hand, the movements to integrate means join Goa into the Indian Union became more intense. Intense means great and violent means harsh. On 15th August 1955, 3,000 to 5,000 unarmed means without weapon Indian activist means fighter, attempt means try to enter Goa at 6 locations and were violently means strongly repulsed means refused by Portuguese police officers, resulting in the deaths of around 200 people. When the talks and satyagraha failed, the Indian government decided to take more radical means serious or major steps and launched means started Operation Vijay to free Goa. The military operation started on the midnight of 17th and 18th December 1961 under the leadership of General Chaudhary. The operation was completed by the next day afternoon. The Indians won Goa, Diu and Daman and hoisted the national flag here. That's how the last of the remains of the Western Empire were terminated. Terminated means end or stopped from India. Next, relationship between India and Pakistan. The relationship between India and Pakistan has always been bitter. Bitter means sa or has since the independence. The dispute means fight over the marking of boundaries was never resolved. Resolved means settled or sought out, which has led to a constant means continuous infiltration. Infiltration means entered across the border in India. The Kashmir issue has added fuel to the fire and added bitterness means harshness in the relation between the two countries. India and Pakistan were at war in the year 1948, 1965 and 1971. All the three times Pakistan was defeated. Tashkent Agreement and Simla Agreement are the two post-war agreements signed between India and Pakistan. However, Pakistan has not followed the clauses, means points, of the agreement. When Pakistan first entered Kargil in 1999 CE, India had to use the military force. India conducted nuclear means atomic test in 1998 CE followed by Pakistan. Hence today both the nations have nuclear weapons means atomic bomb. It is a sad fact that Pakistan has never responded positively to the friendly gestures means act or move of India to maintain amicable means friendly relationship between the two nations. Next, India today. How well have we fared? Fared means progress after the 64 years of independence. Have we realized the ideals of a constitution? Implementation means application of 5-year plans. Used means helped the age of industrial development in India in the true sense. Notable means important development has happened in the cotton textile, sugar, iron and steel, engineering, chemical industries and coal mining. We have become self-reliant. Self-reliant means independent in terms of industrial production. Marked progress means noticeable progress has become evident. Evident means clear in the field of electronic, energy, computer, microchips, telecommunication, steel, fertilizers, cement and petrochemicals. Many critics means observer or expert, believe that India would not be able to sustain means support longer as a nation and would become a militarist nation soon. But India proved all these prediction means forecast wrong. Till the date, India is a proud and thriving means successful republic. India has exemplified means represented or showed the unity in diversity, and this diversity has never become a hindrance means obstacle or block in our progress. The nation has developed industries, science, infrastructure means groundwork or base, agriculture and education. On the other side, it is also true that the caste discrimination means differentiation, still prevailed. Prevailed means overcome or obtained in many parts of our nation. Though the constitution has declared India as a secular state, communal tension is not an uncommon thing. The most bothersome means irritating problem of a nation is the widening. Widening means spreading gap between the rich and the poor. Certain sections have been tremendously means extremely benefited means profited or helped out of the economic development of the country and live in luxury means comfort, richness. On the other side, many people live below the poverty line. The People live in slums. Slums means highly populated urban residential area cannot afford. Afford means provide or manage to send their children to school. Corruption means dishonesty or fraud, and inflation means higher price level are increasing at an alarming means shocking rate. Rate means price. Our constitution considers everyone equal as per law, but in reality, certain Indians are more powerful compared to others. As per the ideal set by the constitution at the time of independence, we have not been completely successful as a democracy yet, nor have we been absolutely, means completely or totally unsuccessful. A loop side means unbalanced or unequal focus on the economic development has caused us the environmental degradation. Degradation means demotion or breakdown. Mira Behan, that is Madeleine Slade, who was a disciple of Gandhiji, wrote in 1949 that the science and technology would surely benefit the humanity to a great extent, but finally it would lead to distraction. Distraction means demolition or spoiling. We should lead our life in coherence. Coherence means organization with nature to maintain the natural balance. Then and then only we can ensure, means make sure a longer and healthy survival. Survival means period of the human race. With this, I have completed with the lesson Independent India. Hope you all have understood. Thank you.